Namaste students, myself Dr. Swati KS, Assistant Professor, Department of Rishastra and Vishesha Kalpana, Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, Jaipur. So today I'll continue regarding the last session, that is concept of Aushadha Nirmanashala with respect to the GMP. So in that, batch manufacturing records. So batch manufacturing records, it's mainly maintain batch manufacturing records of all types of the products should be done, and list of the raw drugs, quantities and various tests with the record should be maintained, and record of quality control, and record of manufactured drug to the finished products, and only after verified and accepted quality it is cleared for the sale. So importance of this is manufacturing records are required to provide an account of the list of raw drugs, raw materials and their qualities obtained from the store, and tests conducted during the various stages of the manufacture as mentioned in the first schedule of the Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. So next, distribution record. So distribution record, so record date, manpowers and the machines and equipment should be maintained, and record of the sale and distribution of each batch of the medicine should be maintained. The importance of this is it is maintained because in order to facilitate prompt and complete recall of the batch if necessary. So next, coming to the labeling part. So we have to check whether the labels of the immediate and outer container bear, in addition to the like name of the products and statement of identity, and net contains and address of the firm manufacturing the product or introducing it into the interstate commerce, and any like direction for the safe use of the product. So importance of this is it should provide the general knowledge about the final product regarding the ingredients and quantity of the ingredients, and reference of the product. So also provide like shelf life of this, and date of the manufacturing and expiry date if they or in like contraindication, that also can know from this. Next, record of the market complaints. So maintain you have to maintain the register to record the complaints which is received regarding the product sold in the market, and it shall enter all data of investigation regarding the complaints. So once in 6 months, report should be submitted to the license authority. So importance of this is the manufacturer shall investigate any of the like adverse reactions to find if the same is due to any defect in the product, and whether such reactions are already reported in the literature or it is new observation. And it also helps in WHO guidelines on safety monitoring of the herbal medicines in like pharmacovigilance systems. Next, coming to the quality control part. So each manufacturer shall provide facility for quality controls in their premises. So quality control shall verify all the raw drugs, monitor in process of quality checks, and control quality of the finished product. So preferably it should have separate expert should be there for that. And importance of that is the quality control section shall verify all the raw materials regarding identity, purity, fungal, bacterial contamination, and monitoring process, quality checks, and control the quality of the finished products being released to the finished goods store warehouse. So conclusion of all this is, so GMP, that is good manufacturing practice, it is an essential and significant step taken by the government in improving the quality and standard of the ASU, that is Ayurveda, Siddha and Unani drugs being manufactured in the 9,000 licensed ASU pharmacies in our country. And to meet the worldwide demand for the herbal drugs, it is essential to maintain the GMP, and it is necessary to maintain the consumer's interest in ensuring quality and standard, and to meet the requirements of the various importing countries for the Ayurvedic drugs. So this is regarding the today's topic, GMP. And if you have any queries, please do mention in the comment box so that I can resolve it. Thank you.